Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to the home screen on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new Samsung Smart TV, and here we have our remote. If we click on the home button, you can see that we have different apps here. So how do you actually go ahead and add new apps to your home screen here? Now, in order to do this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're going to do is that we're going to scroll to the left until we hit the apps icon, which is this button here. And then once you access the App Store, you want to click on the up arrow until you reach the gear icon, which is this settings here. Now, once you've done so, you can see that these are all the apps that you've gone ahead and installed on your Samsung Smart TV. All you've got to do is click on one of the apps, or don't click on one of the apps, just highlight one of the apps and then click on add to home. Now, once you've done so, you can see that you could actually position the app of where you want to place it. And so let's place Crunchyroll right over here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add apps to the home screen on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.